Hi guys, just popping in today. It's March the 25th and we're here in Cape Breton and we are having a little bit of a snowstorm, and I'm just going to turn you around to have a look. Winter wonderland here. So beautiful. Oopsie. I know all you people wintering in Florida just want to come back to see all this. Someday soon, hopefully, we'll get there for the winter. Until now, we just have to wait it out. Hopefully the snow will be gone tomorrow because we're supposed to get some rain, and so hopefully it won't stick around. And just like this, there's an accident on the road where we were heading, and hopefully everybody is okay. Crazy times. Side of the Sydney Harbor in a little place called Westmount, looking across to the town of Sydney, which is not very big. Blink your eyes, you'll miss it. And we're going by our yacht club. All the boats waiting to get out in the summer. Got a Coast Guard boat over on the dock at the Port of Sydney.